Racing our DTM meets GT3 League at the Eurospeedway Inner Circle coming up next. Hello once again, slot car race fans. Welcome back to another one of our DTM GT3 slash cross whatever a race series, and tonight we are at the Eurospeedway, the inner portion. And if you would like to build this amazing track, and this is a big one, check it out over on my masterclass at Patreon. I'll bring up the link at the end of this video. And don't forget that we are also doing a giveaway contest still. It's been a long time I've been trying to give this away. We need 5,000 subscribers on Madcap Romanian channel. We're almost at 4,200, so it's not, well, it's still 800 subscribers, so if you know people that are interested in slot car racing and want to join in the giveaway, let them know that I'm doing this, and there'll be more details at the end of the video. So for tonight we are going to race, but I want to ask you a question, and leave it in the comments right down below. We have 4 racers last night. It was me, Glenn, Howard, and Mark. Which one do you think will win the league, or sorry, not the league, well, maybe the league, but the race at the end of tonight? Write your comments down below. And now, without further ado, let's go down to the races.
Whoa, you're just standing there.
Just as I move the camera.
So here we are in Germany at the Eurospeedway. We have Glenn, Howard, Mark, and myself racing. It should be good. 19 laps. It's Glenn, Howard, Mark, and myself.
Get it out like that. Guess what? I never set the clock. 50 laps. And we are at 24 laps. Yeah. Twisted.
Who do you think will win the race tonight? Write it in the comments below. Oh.
Slow down in Howard's corner. For 38 laps. 6, 3, 4, 1. The 3-minute mark. That'll be longer. 2 laps. Glenn, Howard, Mark, Lisa. 33 seconds. Well, that's at least an hour, man.
That curve is, it's good judging, man. If you go too fast on that curve,
Here we are at the end of the race, and our points. I got 47, Rosie could not race, Howard got 46, Kevin was not available, Mark came back, got 26 points, and Glenn got 57. And now we have our league standings so far after 2 races. I've got 78 points, putting me in 3rd. Howard's got 95, putting him in 2nd place. Kevin has 30, putting him at 4. Mark has 26, so he's in 5th. And Glenn is 1st place with 123 points. Way to go, Glenn! Woo! Alright. And wasn't that an amazing race? So, how did you do? Did the person that you guessed would come in first at the end of the night? Was that the right person? I hope it was. So anyway, don't forget that we are giving away this great Carrera tow truck. All we're asking is to grow to 5,000 subscribers over on my Madcap Romanian channel. This thing is really cool. It's got the tailgate that drops down. You can hook it up to any Carrera car. It also has a lights and horn, and it's a really cool kit. Anyway, we would like to give this away. So again, 5,000 subscribers, and we will do that. And information for that is going to be right down here. And if you would like to build our great Eurospeedway inner circle, it's going to be up here where the Canadian flag is. So once again, I'd like to thank all the patrons for helping make this possible, and we will see you next week at Nürburgring.